Hey guys, welcome to Watkins Way. It's early Sunday morning. I'm out at my place in Palm Springs having a little bit of coffee. And I got thinking, I looked in the refrigerator this morning, I got a head of cabbage in there. And I'm going, what the hell am I gonna do with cabbage? Cabbage has a lot of uses. Corned beef and cabbage on St. Patty's Day. If you order fish tacos, you usually get cabbage. If you make slaw, you use cabbage, sauerkraut. But have you guys ever heard of fried cabbage and bacon for breakfast? Probably not. That's what I'm gonna make. So let's get busy. I got some bacon. I got the thick cut bacon that I got at the grocery store out of the deli. I don't like buying the bacon that's already packaged up. A lot of times it's really thin and it's not that good. So if you go to the deli and just tell them, give me a pound of bacon, although a pound of bacon used to be $3.99 here in California, now it's like $10.99. So that's 2022 inflation prices. So we're gonna cook this, and I don't know if you noticed or not, but I put a stick of butter and everything. Today we're not gonna use butter. We're just gonna use bacon. So throw this in here. And I'm going to crank up the temperature to 350. What we're going to do is we'll just cook this bacon up, and I'm not going to drain the bacon grease off. I'm going to cut the cabbage up, add the cabbage in here, and it's going to be the best bacon cabbage you ever had. And you probably never ate. Most of you probably never even had this, but you should try it. It's really good. All right, now we're going to cut the cabbage up. So, all right, and I want to take out the center here without, hopefully I won't cut myself. So we're going to pull this out. You don't need this. This is not good. Set that over there. Cut it up like this. And we just try to cut this in little pieces. All right, our bacon is just about done. I've only used a half a head of cabbage. I've diced it up like this. I know it looks like a lot, but once it starts cooking, it's gonna cook down. So we're gonna add this in. I know it looks like a lot when I put it in there, but once it's cooked down a little bit, it's not going to be very much. It's probably going to be enough for about 2 people, and that's it. So, yeah, I'm sure most of you guys watching haven't seen this before, but this is a southern dish. My mom used to make this when I was a kid. I guess it was, if you don't have much money, and we had a garden, we had plenty of cabbage, so, she probably figured out. Put some bacon in here and cook this up. And what I like to do is I add a little bit of red wine vinegar to it. It gives it kind of a tangy taste. So anyway, so see this right here? It's cooking down pretty good. I'm going to crank up the heat to about 375. Once you have to speed everything up. And when you make this, you don't need to drain the bacon grease off. You don't want to drain it off because that gives you the flavor. All right, our cabbage is, remember I said when I put this in here, it kind of filled up the skillet, totally filled it up. Look at it, it's cooked down. A little bit of coffee. Now what we're gonna do is, I don't know how many people add vinegar to this, but I like mine with vinegar, so we're just gonna put a little bit of our fried cabbage in here with our bacon and bacon grease. Let me turn this off. And what I do is I like a little bit of red wine vinegar. So I just put a little bit of vinegar on here. I know you guys are probably going, this guy's strange, but it's pretty good breakfast, fried cabbage and bacon. Really is good. Gotta have another bite, one more bite. All right, guys, gotta make this. It's really good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that bell. If you hit the bell, it will give you a notification when my videos come out. So have a good day. Take care. See you later. Bye.